What's up, Perpetualites? Today we are here with
Lorraine Lysander from 12 Use 1.
Denise.
Hi, my name is Jay Nicole A. Ohilia and I'm from 12 ABM1.
My top 3 favorite memory would be the University Week 2024, the Perpetualites after every NCAA game, and of course, this year's SSC campaign when I was under the Sinagtala party.
Siguro yung nag-bonfire tayo kasama yung mga basketball players natin sa Junior Altas.
Yung nanalo tayo, first time sa Junior Altas nung NCAA.
My favorite would be the Sports Fest and the University Week.
Yung U-Week kasi syempre madami nangyari na events and then madaming stalls. Ang sarap gumastos, di ba?
Siguro yung U-Week. Sobrang dami nangyari ng U-Week as in, ang daming mga foods, ang daming mga events, ang daming memories na nangyari, ang daming mga ganap na very memory coded talaga siya. Yung palaging may General Assembly tuwing Wednesday. Kasi parang nire-remind siya palagi ng ating principal, yung mga teachers natin sa mga daily activities, sa mga updated na ganaps dito sa Perpetual.
My favorite thing would be the Perpetualite community spirit that I have been able to experience during my 2 years here, how we are all very supportive, very competitive, but at the end of the day, we are all very loving, kind, and fun.
Environment. Kasi syempre, if you're feeling stressed, andyan lang yung job guard, di ba? Kung gutom ka naman, andyan yung food hub. And syempre, madali ding malapitan yung mga teachers natin.